Today's video is how to use the delay start button on Miele washing machine W1 series. So we switched on the washing machine first. I changed them to be cotton because today I washed some cotton.
Yes, I use DOS today because Miele W1 is a twin DOS system. Once I press DOS, it's gonna be okay. What? Yes. Dots lighting up. You don't have to use DOS, I'll show you later. Then we use temperature. Now we'll change it to be 75. Okay, centigrade.
You can see start button is lighting up, but now we're gonna press delay start. I wanted to start exactly 5 hours later. Press the up button, press OK. If you wanted to delay start for how many minutes, you can press up button again. So start now. 1 minute later, and after a few minutes, Miele washing machine will switch itself off to save energy, I suppose, but you can see start button is flashing. We don't have to do anything because the washing machine is set now. We just go to work or go out as you wish.
If I wash the bedding pure cotton, sometimes put some vanish in. I don't put a lot. I put half a spoon. Okay.
If you use this kind of fabric conditioner, it goes into the drum together with vanish. Liquid conditioner goes into here. If you don't use twin DOS system, your own washing powder belongs here in the drawer. If you would like to use the twin DOS system, choose the right settings, press twin DOS. This time, I will use twin DOS and will let washing machine finish washing when I woke up in the morning. As you can see, after press OK, then you press the 2 little up and down arrows, it will add or minus 15 minutes.
I would like to leave the door and the drawer open at all times because I think it's really silly once you finish washing, you close the door while inside still quite warm and damp. It's not very hygienic. And I have been using this for a few years now, maybe 5 or more, or maybe more. It's still quite clean, I think.